things in your house, in your room itself, isn't it? That is number one, use of LED bulbs and tube lights.
Tube lights. Use
Ha have
public
you seen?
transport.
Huh. Use of LED bulbs and tube light, use of public transport means, if for one example I was going to share you, whenever your exams come, let it be of board exams, isn't it, or any such competitive exams you have seen, what people do, most of the people, they want to go by their private vehicle, means one student
Private
one
transport.
car. Yes, one student, one car. So if you can count,
Cab.
thousands of students are there. I don't say thousand. I think so. It is more than thousand or 10,000 like that. When if you count in a Delhi road, what you see after our overfly, there are so many schools are there. St. Karen's, Gyan Niketan, DAV Public School, Khagol, Radiant is there, and other schools, Kendra Vidyalaya, Bailey, this Khagol, Kendra Vidyalaya, Danapur, Kant, Army schools, isn't it? So many schools are there, RPS schools are there. So if the centers are there in those schools and the students are going by their personal vehicle, one student, one vehicle, what will happen? What will
Air
happen then?
pollution.
Not only air pollution, a huge
Jam,
chaos will be
traffic
made.
jam.
Traffic
Ma'am,
jam
traffic
and a
jam.
huge chaos will be there, and you will be not able to reach to your destination, isn't it? Not noise,
Yes, ma'am.
noise pollution तो होता ही होता है, air pollution भी होगा, noise pollution भी होगा. But what about the jam? If you will go for at 7 o'clock, if you're moving from your house, what will happen? You will reach the center at 10:30, and 10:30 the school doors are closed for the student. So if everyone will stop that public personal transport and they are going to avail the public transport, there will be no cures in the roadside, isn't it? Switch off the lights and fans when not in use, isn't it? When you are going to leave your drawing room or you are going to leave your bedroom in the morning, you have to switch off the lights and fan, isn't it? Use of power saving electronic devices also. आपको क्या बोला गया? जब आप नेट का यूज खत्म कर देते हो, बंद काम यूज खत्म हो जाती है, आप उसको बंद कर सकते हो, है ना? उसको बंद
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
दीजिए, उसको रेस्ट करने दीजिए. यूज ऑफ नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, दैट इज solar light, solar torch, solar geysers, etc. Isn't it? So have you seen these small dhabas and all? No, people are started using the solar lights
Yes,
in
Yes,
their
ma'am.
dhaba.
yes,
Now
ma'am.
they are so they have become so
Roads.
eco-friendly. They are using. I've seen them. Small lights are there. They charge during. They hang it on the tree and charge it during the day. That solar torch, solar these lights are there. Now use of automatic electronic power saver. है ना? It save approximately 30% of electricity bill. Electronic power saver should be there. Okay, so this is all about the measures you are going to take for the conservation of energy resources. Have you seen this keyword, student?
अरे हमको भी ये सब तो
Ma'am, क्या?
Keywords. Are you reading the keywords? These are not simply given
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
textbook. This is
Yes,
for
ma'am.
drilling is there, electrical grids are there, and open cast mining, then parental river, quarrying, shaft mining, isn't it? And then the question answer. I'll just mark the question answer for you and I'll give you the click of it in the snap homework, including the page numbers. I'm going to share it for you. Okay. So have you done the third chapter of geography, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I think so we have done the question answers also. Let's give one reading for it. Page number 28. Before ending the meeting, we'll just have the Question
We
answer
vis-
bit. First question. Can you read? Anyone? Harsh?
Which
Yes,
term
ma'am.
is used for plant
For the plant.
community which grows without human interference?
What is that?
Ma'am, natural
Natural
vegetation.
Natural vegetation.
Natural
Natural
vegetation.
Okay. Second one, read out. Harsh.
Which vegetation grow in hot and humid region of the world?
Ma'am,
Which
tropical
one?
evergreen
Evergreen
forest.
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 Tropical evergreen
Level
forest.
Okay.
Forest.
Third one.
The most common trees of tropical deciduous forest are
Ma'am, shal
sal
and
and
teak.
And
teak.
tea.
Art and teak.
Shal and
Shal
teak.
and teak.
हो गया.
Fourth.
Trees of Mediterranean forest have spiny and
Ma'am,
waxy
spiny and
leaves.
waxy leaves.
Spiny and waxy
leaves.
leaf.
Okay.
Spiny and
Spiny
waxy
and
leaf.
waxy leaf. Fifth one.
The area under forest is developing due to
Human
Human
interference.
Human
interference.
Human interference.
Okay.
Human
Okay.
interference.
Now I'll read the filling the blanks. The assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation.
Vegetation.
Dash and dash are the two important factors of the plant growth.
Temperature and rainfall. Temperature and rainfall.
Very good. Humus help us to maintain fertility of soil.
हम आप
Fertility
आंसर
of
बोल
soil.
आंसर आप बोल दो.
पड़ेगा क्योंकि अभी क्लास खत्म होगा. Hardwood trees have broad leaves to permit
Transpiration.
Transpiration.
surplus moisture.
Transpiration.
Teak is the commercially important tree for the tropical forest.
deciduous forest.
Tropical
deciduous forest.
Okay. Forests which do not shed all their leaves at the same time is known as a
Tropical evergreen forest.
Tropical evergreen forest.
rainforest. Also, you can write it. Okay. In the forest, summers are dry and moderate rainfalls in winter.
Mediterranean forest.
Mediterranean forest.
Mediterranean forest. Okay. Conical shaped trees are common in this forest. Coniferous forest. You are going to
Temperate
write.
forest.
Softwood forest.
Coniferous forest.
Coniferous also you can write. The process of creating new forest by planting sapling or forest.
Forestation.
The temperate softwood forest found in the southern slopes of Himalaya, mountain
Forest.
Forest.
Okay. Okay.
फॉरेस्ट लिखना जरूरी है कि माउंटेन?
नहीं बेटा, फॉरेस्ट लिखना तो जरूरी है. से भी आप बहुत कम लिखते हैं, तो आपको फॉरेस्ट लिखना तो बहुत जरूरी होगा. अब यहाँ देखो, why are the tropical rain forests known as the evergreen forest? Don't share their leaves at the same time.
Forest known as evergreen forest because all the trees of these forests do not
Page number
shed their
23. Page number 23 you will write down there and write the answer. Why do the tropical deciduous forests shade their trees during the summer season? To conserve the moisture.
There's a lot
Like
of
this. The
moisture.
tropical deciduous forest, like this you are going to write. The tropical deciduous forest shade their leaves during the summer season because to conserve
moisture.
the moisture.
Sal and teak.
shal and teak.
Write any three characteristics of features of the trees found in the Mediterranean forest.
The three
are going
features
to-
three
Mainly located in region around the
Mediterranean
Mediterranean Sea. Green areas are stored.
trees of these features are
widely
spread
and they are found in areas with dry
result of the trees
and moderate
to
rainfall
retain
during
moisture in the
winter.
dry
During
winter.
winter.
The important traits of this forest.
Now you are going to write distinguish between the national park and the wildlife sanctuaries. ये मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था आपसे और आप उसको करेंगे. ठीक है. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज में क्या अंतर है और नेशनल पार्क्स में क्या अंतर है, उसमें कुछ अंतर होते हैं. ठीक है ना. हाँ
मैम नेशनल पार्क में मैम सभी चीज स्ट्रिक्टली बैंड है मैम, जैसे कि कलेक्टिंग ऑफ टिम्बर, फायरवुड वगैरह. और मैम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी में मैम कुछ छूट है मैम, जैसे कि फायरवुड, टिम्बर और मेडिसिनल हर्ब को कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं मैम टूरिस्ट.
मैम सारे चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर खुद से करना है.
बेटे, पावनी, माय डियर चाइल्ड, Why I'm discussing the question answer? You are getting how many marks in your English? 75. You will be able to write the answer what I am discussing in the class. Okay, you have to use your own sentence and your hand writing should be there. I am discussing the question answer. That's why I am discussing the question answer. Suggest any
Yes,
3
ma'am.
important measures for the protection of forest. We have page number
Hunting and poaching of wild
25 to
animals and
24,
birds have
page
been
number
banned.
C. हाँ,
Killing of wildlife is a punishable offense. National park and
yeah.
wildlife sanctuaries are being set up
And afforestation or
in
large
parts
scale
of the
plantation of
world.
trees, each one plant one policy, efficient utilization of forest products and
Yes.
uses of substitutes of wood.
See, what you have to do, whenever there is a question, you read the question properly. And I have said you the page number, please, or if you don't know the page number, please go through the chapter, read the answer, question, sentences,
Chapter.
and when this same chapter which I am discussing, and whenever you find the topic related to natural vegetation, for example, what is meant by natural vegetation, then where is the topic is natural vegetation, you will go to the same topic and write down that what is natural vegetation.